to a new vlog. We are taking our eating good seriously. We're looking good from the big hippopotamus you guys used to see. So I just finished cosmetic class. A lot of content I want to shoot for Instagram and all of that, but I have been pushing it because my nails look so ratchet. Nail guy is on his way here. I do home service for my hair and my nails. Home service. Hey you guys, what's up? So I want to do my Wi-Fi back. So I'm at the MTN office now. Yeah. So I'm just organizing my closet. These are all the pants I have. I like to organize based on color. So I have blacks here. I have this olive green, this browns, and the few jeans that I have. And the skirts are going to be, I don't know, maybe they're just going to be on top. I really don't know. Today is Saturday. I'm expecting my friend tomorrow, which is Sunday. She'll be coming from Abuja to come and spend days-ish with me, and I can't wait. Anyways, I got two packages. A package yesterday, and it's filming gear. It's on my wardrobe there. I've opened them before, and they are the best purchase ever. I actually used my YouTube paycheck to get them. YouTube paycheck for this time, I use it for my console table, which you guys saw in the last vlog. I used it to make a coffee table with side stools, and now I used it to upgrade filming setup for YouTube. It's not a lot of money, but it's doing something, and I'm really amazed by what it does. Thank you guys for your support, for watching. Just thank you. Like this bed, the bed frame, the mattress is like almost 200k. It was YouTube that got it for me, and many other things anyway. So it's like my second little stream of income. You guys pay no attention to all the jargons in my room. I'm cleaning it, I'm organizing and cleaning it. So I just want to unbox this thing because I need the tripod, and I'm feeling like I can't use it until I've shown you guys. So this thing is phone and camera. I'm looking to get a very good DSLR camera. Video quality is going to be from here to do you get it? Please ignore my room and all the craziness happening. I know it looks like I'm homeless, but no, please. It comes in this bag thing, which is just the best. It can help you carry it if you are going out. Like I go to hotels now to shoot business content and all of that. This bag is so thoughtful. It comes with this phone holder. It comes with a remote. This thing is very sturdy. It has anti-slip grip leg, so if it touches the floor, nothing moves it. It has this hanging thing you can use to hang bag or anything. It has a handle for it. Before I show you how long it is, let's unbox this other one from the same store. It's sort of a tripod, but it allows you to keep your phone in awkward places. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. There are some kind of angles I've always wanted to achieve, and tripod can't get in the way. So I got this. It also has a light. About this tripod, right? There's this way, and you're going to wind it, and automatic, man, it moves up. The ability to change angles and movements without sweating it when you are vlogging or making a video. Bathroom. I think it's for bathroom. I don't know what it's for. It's salad day, so I have to celebrate. Don't mind me. I just looked for an excuse to get this daily cereal. I love sardine. I have this big chicken in my fridge that was gifted to me. I want to boil it. Kilishi. See, ginger beer. Skimmed milk for weight loss. Water. Because we needed some tissue for the longest time. Kitchen tissue. At this point, I'm a prostitute for toothpaste. Home market. And I came back with all these things. This is what took me. Multi-purpose cleaner. And I saw this. Sisi Yemi made me buy this brand. This brand is really good, like she said. Then I bought that's all. Today is Sunday. I feel like I have 1,001 things to do. Guys, guess what? That's why I came here. I received my first PR package ever. I just bless God because I've been taking influencers. I've been trying to take it seriously, especially on my Instagram. I just wish I'm more serious with a lot of things like YouTube, Instagram. It's not that hard. It's not really that hard. I'm just so grateful. And the first PR I received is from can you guess the brand? I've wanted to be on the PR list of this brand for the longest, you know. Then I got their attention the first time and they were like, oh, we'd like you to be on our PR. They even called. We'd like you to be on our PR. But I think they forgot me again. So I just kept doing what I do. The manager reached out to me and, you know, she's such a nice, the PR manager, or is it manager they call her? She's such a nice person. And this is the brand, Zaron. After that call, they kept forgetting me. And I think it is because of where I'm located anyways. But finally, your girl got PR package. Zaron has a makeup and a skincare, which is Skin by Zaron. So it's the skin I'm interested in. I'm interested in all, but you guys know, mostly skincare. So they sent me this their newly launched serum. They newly launched them. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 of them, and they sent me everything. Like I have so many content I want to do with this with you guys. I'm really excited for it because this brand, they do their homework well. Like they produce every serum for every human, every person, whether dry skin, whether acne prone skin. They went all out, and that's so good. I feel this will help me to teach a kind of topic dear to me on this channel. So you guys should wait for this video, wait for the video, and the one by the Fenty Beauty Pre-Show Glow. Wait for this video, wait for it. as much, and also Instagram content. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm trying to grow my Instagram. You guys should please go and follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Some of you are already following me there. Thank you. But I'm taking my Instagram seriously. If you want to get quick tips and products, fashion, lifestyle, follow me on Instagram. You want to follow me there. Honestly, you want to. The content are way different from what you see here. So I want to do content. I don't want to bore you guys with it. That's what I'm doing this Sunday. I'm having exams coming by the end of this month. I've not even started reading. Hey, I'm just even scared. I'm just so lazy to read. It's just a lot on my plate anyway. So anyways, I said let me check in on you guys this Sunday. You guys, I just finished having the most productive day ever, and it's not even end of the day. Today was so productive, but my room is a mess. I just finished shooting. I feel like I'm getting into my groove back, and I hope I continue like this. Let me go and look for something to eat. See what everywhere looks like. Just see what everywhere looks like. So scattered. So scattered. So you guys, me and my new loungewear. So I'm cooking jollof rice and chicken. Jollof rice and chicken. So yeah. Chicken frying. Jollof rice shenanigans here. Especially this one, I just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So nice. Hey guys, what's up? So this is Feature Me. This is many days later, and I'm editing this vlog because today is virtually today. This vlog is going up in the next 1 hour. So just know this is me shooting this video now, real time. You just saw it because I was editing it, and there's no outro. But before I say my outro, let me show you guys this is the bicycle vase I bought. It's so cute. It's just so pretty. It's just the most beautiful thing, although very pricey. It has a vase here. It has a vase here. They said this is called the spider plant. Oh, the spider plant is out. So this is me signing out to the 100 people that watch my vlogs. You people seem to like that sentence a lot. To the 100 people watching my vlogs, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, and I'll see you next Sunday because it's a weekly vlog. Bye.